In this video, we're going to walk through how to use the translation application. So first up, we need to identify documents that need translation. So what we can do is we can identify the language by looking at the primary language and also the docs languages field. This is something that runs in Relativity, and it's able to detect up to 3 languages per document. So in our example here, you're going to see by the name alone, right? This is a German and French sample document. You can see that it does pull up some of that information, that it is German and other. And so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And you're going to see the information that we have available here. You can see based on the information that we have here, we have the French that's up top, and then we have some German as well. And so to go ahead and translate that document, what we want to do is go ahead and hit translate. It's going to bring up a dialog box after a few seconds. We'll do some quick analysis. And once you do that, essentially what's going to happen, it's going to ask you if you want to submit this document for translation. Go ahead and pick the language that you want to translate to. The default, of course, will be English, but you do have the option to pick over 100 other languages. And also translation is supporting over 100 languages as well. The documents can be up to 40 megabytes in text. So just as a FYI, as you do that, so you can see we have a auto detect source language is on by default, and we're translated to English. But you can see that we have many languages listed. Also, it's going to grab the documents to identify what languages are on there. And so it can take either from the extracted text, which you'll see here. You also can grab native, or you could have a stored PDF, which would be stored here in Relativity. You can have it select the native. And so if it is unsupported native, what it's going to do, it's going to allow you to do a backup method of extracting out the text. So we'll go ahead and do that. You can see a few other items as well. There's a job estimate, so it's going to tell you how many units it is, because there's a character limit. And so tell you if it's 1 or 2. So go ahead and close that out. And then also what we'll do from here is just click on the file limitations. So the file limitations are essentially just going to be the ones that are supported, and once again must be below 40 megabytes. Go ahead and hit translate document. We have this completed here. So you're going to see once it's done, it's going to pop up this English, which is the language we translated it to. Just wait a second or so, and so you're going to see that it has translated the information for us. So just a quick note, it's translated by Microsoft Translator, so it is using some AI capabilities to translate those documents. So there may be some inaccuracies as you review the documents. Thank you for following along.